Oh my god.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
It's pretty.
It's a sexy drink.
Hey, it's Joe. Welcome back to Bandboozled. We got Albert J back again, the talented rapper, musician.
What's cracking? How you doing, Joe?
I'm doing good.
Thank you for having me.
Well, we're going to be pairing up a cocktail with an album, and Albert J is picking another album. Last time we talked, we did To Pimp a Butterfly, and you gave me My Beautiful Dark and Twisted Fantasy by Kanye.
Yes.
And It's Dark and Hell Is Hot by DMX.
Yeah.
I'm picking It's Dark and Hell Is Hot.
Okay.
That's mad hard to say every time. I don't know why.
It's Dark and Hell Is Hot
Hell
by
Is Hot.
DMX. Came out in 1998. It was the second rap album I ever got and one of the standards on how I carry myself as a rap artist now. So
It's like a great example of DMX's versatility because not only is he able to make those crazy hood anthems of like Rough Riders, Get At Me Dog, he could also be a really talented storyteller too.
Absolutely.
Damien, The Combo.
a lot of people are taken back by DMX just because of his worldwide hits. Like in the late 90s, early 2000s, he was heralded as one of the dopest storytelling rappers, along with Rough Riders and all that stuff. He was able to really create an entire like hip hop sound for specifically New York.
It's a very street rap, hood rap album, and it came out at a perfect time of. It was right after Tupac and Biggie, but there was this gap that needed to be filled.
Absolutely.
And DMX was the perfect situation.
100%.
I wanted to get a cocktail that kind of embodies that same concept of like being in your face,
Hardcore.
something nice and hot
Yeah.
as well to fit with the theme of Hell Is Hot.
Yeah. Nice.
So I found a cocktail called the Mexican Firing Squad.
Let's fucking do it. I don't know what that is, but let's go ahead.
It's
Somebody get
basically,
murked.
it's basically like a spicy margarita that has a splash of grenadine in it. I'm switching it up a little bit. We're gonna add some smoke to it with some mezcal.
Okay.
One of mine and yours favorites. And then I'm gonna bump up the citrus a little bit too to make it a little bit more on the tart side.
Let's do this.
All right, cool.
Down.
I'm switching the grenadine for hibiscus syrup.
Okay.
And you only need a quarter of the hibiscus syrup.
Y'all don't know me. I measure things. Go ahead, sir. Oh, that smells great.
Let's do half simple.
Just call me bartender.
You know me. 1 ounce of lime juice.
Excellent.
And then I found some spicy bitters back here.
One dash?
Let's try 2 dashes and see how it goes.
And
then finally, we'll do 2 ounces of some mezcal.
what kind of mezcal is this?
This is the Demo Vida mezcal.
This is like smoking tequila. You want to smoke a tequila blunt? This is what mezcal is.
Remember what Mijo said about the mezcal when we had it?
Yeah.
He was like, it's like tasting a tire.
Yeah. You're eating a Goodyear tire.
He was like,
Drinking a tire.
We're chewing on a tire right now. All right, we're gonna shake it up, serve it on the rocks. We're gonna do this in sync. In sync.
Let's go.
I
don't know about it.
And we'll garnish it with a nice dehydrated lime.
You have dehydrated limes on deck?
First chance, last chance.
Shout out first chance.
Right. Cheers, my friend. Let's try it out.
It's like sex in your mouth, and everyone's invited. Wow. Jack, you want to try this?
Oh my gosh.
It'll get you drunk.
It's like a
That's a good-
smoky, spicy margarita.
Yeah. And that's about it for this one. So we'll catch you on the next one. Check out Albert J. He just had a music video come out not too long ago for Out of Sight.
It's Out of Sight, baby. The album is called Grow, directed by JPEG Jack,
Yes.
who's in my peripheral right now.
He's right
I
there.
love him a
He's
whole
right
lot.
there.
I'm not going to look at him, though.
Yeah.
Catch you on the flippity flip. I hate that I just said that, but we're rolling with it. And stay inspired, keep your creativity flowing.
My God! My God!